Dropbox system tray icon missing, not working. On an Lubuntu 15.10 machine, the Dropbox icon, which tells the state of the application and allows interaction, is missing. When I start Dropbox, no matter if I'm using Dropbox Start I, or the Xpanel bookmark, only a small camera icon appears in the indicator applets section of Xpanel. This is very annoying, since I always have to use the terminal to check on the status. What's the reason of this weird behavior? It used to work some time ago, I can't tell when it changed, probably a software update. Reinstalling doesn't work, and the icons exist in the ~dropbox dist/dropbox lnx.x86.3.14.5/images/high color/16 by 16 / status directory.
Unfortunately, most of the answers here appear voodoo and do not address the actual underlying issues, of which there are two. I'm writing this in part so that I don't forget it myself the next time I'm dealing with this. Issue number 1. Dropbox attempts to fit to whatever environment it runs under, so it does some auto-detection work. It sometimes fails, as it's not been updated since 2015. This issue has been addressed by an updated /user/bin/Dropbox wrapper as shipped in Ubuntu's Nautilus Dropbox package. So if you want to avoid part of the issues, use it, not the package Dropbox provides. If not, make sure xdg_current_desktop is set to Unity before Dropbox runs. The Ubuntu version of the package does this internally. Issue number 2. Dropbox is written using Qt, more precisely Qt5. Unity is based mostly on GTK+. Qt can use GTK+ styles, but the implementation has changed significantly in the recent year or so, which doesn't work as expected. In GTK+, styling fails to initialize, which leads to unavailability of everything based on GTK+, including the dbus menu interface, which is what makes the indicator work. Unsetting Qt_style_override or setting it to a valid value unbreaks Dropbox and makes the indicator appear again. Update. Actually, it's not an Ubuntu default, but something else may be setting the variable to a wrong value. In my case, it was ~.x session, where I've put it some years ago and forgot about it. In any case, it is worth checking and possibly force setting it to the correct value.
Lubuntu 14.04, I have a few machines, all the same OS. One by one Dropbox icon disappeared. I have struggled for months. Couldn't recover icon. Got it now. In terminal type, Dropbox stop and amp and amp, thus launch Dropbox start. Follow the prompts, if any. 2 of my machines responded Dropbox not installed. Sudo apt-get install Dropbox. Repeat line 1. Icon appeared. Didn't stay after reboot. Repeat line 1 to get icon. Go to Preferences, General, Dropbox icon, and untick Start Dropbox on System Startup. Now to Default Applications for Accession, menu, Preferences. Under Auto Start, untick any previous Dropbox attempts, these can be deleted later. Add, thus launch Dropbox start. Reboot.
There are some workarounds until the bug is fixed. The best one at this moment, working for Linux distros such as Ubuntu, Linux Mint, etc., is more details at another Stack Exchange site. Dropbox icon is not working. Ubuntu 14.04 LTS64, ask Ubuntu. Update. And a more recent workaround that works for more Linux operating systems.
The solution for Lubuntu 17.04 is, assuming that you have downloaded a deb file. 1. Make a copy of Dropbox autostart file. cp.config/autostart/dropbox.desktop.config/autostart/newstart_dropbox.desktop. 2. Edit the file newstart_dropbox.desktop. Change the exec equals line 2. Exec equals bus launch Dropbox start I. 3. Copy the file and /user/share/applications/dropbox.desktop to /local/share/applications/ cp/user/share/applications/dropbox.desktop.local/share/applications/. 4. Edit the file that you copied to ~/.local/share/applications/ like you did in step 2. Change the exec equals line 2. Exec equals bus launch Dropbox start I. 5. Disable Dropbox Auto Start with the following command on terminal. Dropbox Auto Start N. Thanks for Andrew and the WebUp 8 team for the tips. This URL